call for repair service.
Hello? I need help, please.
Yes, this is repair service. How can I help you?
My kitchen sink is broken today.
I understand. What exactly is the problem?
Water is leaking under the sink.
Is the water leaking continuously?
Yes, it is leaking very fast.
That sounds serious. We should fix it quickly.
Can you send someone to my home?
Yes, I can help you with that.
Thank you. I am a little worried.
Don't worry, I will guide you.
The water is making a big mess.
Please try to stop using the sink water.
Okay, I will stop using it now.
Good, that will reduce the damage.
When can someone come here?
A worker can come very soon.
How soon will he arrive?
He will arrive in about 30 minutes.
That is very fast, thank you.
You are welcome. We are here to help.
What should I do while waiting?
Please stay near the kitchen and watch the leak.
Okay, I will stay here.
Do not try to fix it yourself.
Yes, I will not touch it.
Good. Safety is important.
The water is still dripping fast.
Try to keep things away from water.
Okay, I moved everything.
Very good. That helps a lot.
I feel a little nervous.
Don't worry, it is a common problem.
Will it be fixed easily?
Yes, it is a simple repair.
Thank you for explaining.
You are welcome.
I am waiting now.
The worker is on the way.
Okay, I will wait calmly.
Stay relaxed. Everything will be fine.
I feel better now. At the bookstore.
Good afternoon, Lily. Welcome to the bookstore. How can I help you today?
I want to buy some books today.
That's great. This is a nice and quiet bookstore.
I really like this peaceful place. What kind of books do you have available?
We have English learning books, storybooks, and easy readers.
I want simple English learning books.
We have beginner-level books that are perfect for you.
That is perfect for my level.
Yes, they are designed for easy understanding.
I am looking at this book now.
Please feel free to open it and check.
The sentences look very simple and clear.
Yes, it is made specially for beginners.
I like this book very much.
Good choice. You can also take another one if you like.
I think I will buy 2 books.
That is a smart choice.
How much is this book?
This book is $5.
That price is okay for me.
Do you need a shopping bag?
Yes, please give me a bag.
Here is your bag for your books.
Thank you for your help.
You are welcome. Come anytime.
I love coming to bookstores.
It is very peaceful here.
I will come again next time.
We will be happy to see you again.
I am really happy today.
Making plans.
Let's make a plan for the weekend.
Yes, I like making weekend plans.
What should we do this weekend?
We should do something relaxing.
Maybe we can go to the park.
Yes, the park is a good idea.
I love fresh air in the park.
Me too. It feels very fresh.
What time should we go there?
Early morning is the best time.
Yes, morning time is very nice.
We can walk slowly there.
I will bring some water bottles.
Good idea. We will need water.
Should we invite some friends too?
Yes, we can invite 2 friends.
I will call them today.
I will prepare some snacks.
That sounds really nice and helpful.
We can also take music with us.
Yes, soft music will be good.
It will make the day better.
I am really excited for this plan.
Me too. It will be fun.
I cannot wait for the weekend.
Time will pass quickly.
I feel very happy now.
Weekend at home.
Today we will stay at home.
Yes, it will be a quiet day.
What can we do inside the home?
We can watch TV or relax.
I also like watching movies at home.
Good idea. Let's choose a movie.
Before that, I will make tea.
Yes, tea will be nice and warm.
The weather is also very calm today.
Yes, it feels very peaceful.
I feel very relaxed at home.
Me too. It is very comfortable.
Let's clean the living room first.
Yes, we should clean it together.
I will clean the table now.
I will clean the floor.
Everything is looking much better now.
Yes, the room is very clean.
Now we can sit and rest.
Yes, let's sit and talk.
I enjoy these simple home days.
Me too. They are very relaxing.
Home feels very safe and nice.
Yes, it is our comfort place.
I am really happy today.
Me too.
Cooking together.
Hey, Lily, let's cook something together today in a simple way.
Yes, I'm in the kitchen now and ready to start.
Great, I'm here with you. We will cook step by step.
That sounds good. What should we cook first?
Let's start with rice. It is easy and a good base for the meal.
Okay, I will wash the rice carefully with clean water.
Perfect. Wash it slowly until the water becomes clear.
The rice is clean now. I will stop washing it.
Good. Now I will bring a pot for cooking.
I'm putting the rice into the pot now.
Excellent. Now add water in a proper amount.
I'm adding water carefully, not too much.
That's right. Now place it on the stove.
The stove is on and it is starting to heat.
Good. Now we wait for it to boil.
While we wait, let's prepare vegetables.
Yes, I will cut potatoes.
I will cut carrots slowly and safely.
Good. Keep everything clean and careful.
The kitchen already smells nice.
Yes, cooking always feels fresh and pleasant.
Is the rice boiling properly now?
Yes, it is cooking well. Keep the heat low.
Okay, I will adjust the stove.
Perfect. Now just let it cook slowly.
I'm mixing it gently.
Good job. It is looking perfect.
Cooking together is really enjoyable.
Yes, it is simple and productive practice.